Hey guys, good afternoon. Can you hear me? Is it live? Yes, it is. Alright guys, good afternoon. I got you a very beautiful brand new Philips office keyboard. It's a combo. It has got mouse, optical mouse, USB optical mouse, and a very beautiful black keyboard. It's brand new. We got a stock here from Philips, okay? You see, we got a lot of quantity here. I will let you know how many pieces we got. We got 20. Each carton got 20 pieces, okay? And the weight is 14 kg, right? 14 kg each carton, 20 pieces in one carton, okay? It's brand new, original Philips, from Philips, okay? This is the gift box packaging, right? This is the front, back. Let me just unpack it for you, okay? It's brand new from Philips. We got a huge stock in my warehouse. Now I'm gonna show it to you. I will unbox it for you. I just opened it a while ago. They're all sealed packed from factory, okay? They're sealed, packed from factory. I just opened the seal for this one because I'm going to show it to you again. So they're all sealed, packed, and it's brand new original packaging. Right, you can see that. Okay, I'm gonna open it for you now. Let's unbox it and check it out. It's very clean, tidy, very beautiful. It's purely used for, it is for office use, okay? It is not a gaming keyboard, and it doesn't have any LEDs. Very clean, tidy Philips, branded Philips USB optical mouse, okay? It's directly from the Philips factory, okay? The goods are located in Shenzhen, okay? We can deliver it to any country you want. We will help you in logistic shipping from China to your country. You don't have to pay any extra taxes. You have to pay one-time amount, and we'll handle all the tax, shipping, custom clearance for you, and you will just receive it on your doorstep. No extra charges, no hidden charges. Okay, so this is the keyboard, 104 keys. This is the numpad. This is the traditional keyboard, very smooth, it's not noisy, very comfortable. Alright guys, I'm showing it to you live. The goods straight away came from the Philips factory, and it's brand new, it's original. It's a combo of set of a mouse and a keyboard, okay? It has got, you see, in its original packaging, it's covered in a plastic bag. It has got a user guide inside. There you go, right? It is cover for mouse, cover for keyboard, and this is the packaging for the keyboard. It's not very heavy. It's very compact, very slim. You can see it's very slim, not heavy. It's very good use. I think it's very nice for office use. It is made for office use. It has got Philips QC Pass, Philips logo here, and the Philips logo here, right? And you can see mouse has got Philips logo as well. It's brand new, branded, original. It's not copy, it's not replica, it's brand new, straight coming from Philips factory, okay? If you're interested, you can leave comments and I will send you the price list. I will send you the prices, and you can tell me your destination. I will give you shipping cost, and there you go. It's pretty simple, nothing's technical in this, right? Right guys, so original Philips, okay? Original Philips. If you're interested, let me know. I will give you the price. Goodbye.